going to get any more than that? Oh yeah, well, once it's completed, I'll just keep it on all the time. Axes and all.
Fire service! Fire service! Don't worry, fire service! We'll come back to get you in a sec.
Try that one.
Okay, Steve. We need to get her. Look through. You can't see anything yet. I'm going to do the next of this room. No fire. It's passing no fire. Will that be in the seat of the phone?
This evening was a joint exercise between Worthing and Southlands Hospital and the Fire Brigade to test the fire procedures basically within the organisation and the fire service. Fundamentally, it was designed to include patients and the evacuation of patients with smoke to make it much more realistic. The fire service used the voluntary fire service rather than the core fire service to come out and help. So we tried to make it much more realistic for them, so we could learn and they could learn from it. It's fundamentally about when we set our procedures off. A lot of our tests are false alarms, so we will go through the procedures, but we won't go any further. To actually put the hose pipes up for dry risers, trying to evacuate patients, that whole bigger issue of operating within a fire, that tested our procedures, and that's fundamentally what it's for.
So what was the importance of tonight? What was the value that everyone got out?
Right, the value of tonight, as far as the fire service was concerned, is that we worked in conjunction with the hospital staff, carrying out a mock evacuation under, realistic conditions, and we wanted to see how, if you like, the fire service procedures would interlink with the hospital procedures. And we wanted to make sure that instead of having a sort of butting together, that we actually worked together, and we were confident that both sets of procedures would work. And obviously, once the exercise had been carried out, we'd discuss with each other what we thought were the good points and the bad points, and then if there was anything that needed adjusting, we would be able to do that. And I think there's quite a few things that we need to discuss. But as far as the evacuation and safety points for patients and staff here, I think that's excellent.